Do you actually know a lot of people have been using hashtag wrongly in their video? Before they post their video on YouTube, they have been using hashtag wrong. Before you start posting your video, there is a place where you have to apply your hashtag automatically, which means anytime you wanted to post video on YouTube, the hashtag will automatically be linked to your video. Then all you need to do is you just add your title and also your thumbnail, then boom, post your video and wait for it to generate views. And sometimes when you keep it in mind that you are only making videos on YouTube just to make views, it will be very, very difficult for you to keep growing on YouTube. Just remove that from your mind, thinking that everything is all about views, If you focus on views rather than building your channel from scratch, it will be very, very difficult for you to grow on YouTube channel in 2026. So follow me from the beginning of this video till the end. I'm going to be showing you how to automatically add hashtags and also description to your video. This hashtag and also description will automatically be linked to your channel without no stress. So now I'm going to be showing you, just make sure you follow my screen to the end. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So let's go. So first thing first, all you need to do is to just head over to your Google Chrome and search for studio.youtube.com, because we are going to be doing this on the website. We are not going to be using the studio app. So head over to your studio.youtube.com. That is the website. Then after that, just scroll down here. All right, this is our dashboard. As you can see, this is my dashboard right now. And the next thing I'm going to do is to just head over here, which says customize. Head over to where it says customize. So once you head over to your customize page, all you need to do is to just head over to your description. Locate where description is written. Then on your description, all you need to do is to just go over to ChatGPT. Sometimes I generate my description including my hashtag using ChatGPT, because all you need to do is to just explain to ChatGPT what your channel is all about, and also that you need a well-written description and also a trending hashtag to trend and also build and grow my channel, my videos on my channel. So just ask ChatGPT these questions and ChatGPT will definitely get back to you with those answers. It will give you a well-written description and also a well-written hashtag that could grow your YouTube channel. So now this is my YouTube description, very short. Then to add hashtag, you click on here, you click on it and you click on enter, so it will give it a space. Then the next thing you are going to do here is to just paste your hashtag here. Then after you paste your hashtag, you can also link whatever you wanted to link here, and also you can also put a video watermark. Maybe you don't want anyone to be using your video on their channel. You can also add your watermark to your video. Very easy and stress-free, without no stress. With the help of you applying automatic description and also hashtag to your channel, it will help the YouTube algorithm to know what exactly your channel is all about. So this help your channel grow faster in 2026, trust me. So after that, all you need to do is to just head over here and click on publish. Once you click on publish, the hashtag and also the description will automatically be linked to your channel. Then after that, once you try to upload your video, you will see that the hashtag will be automatically applied to your new video. So let's check it out here. Okay, let's head over to our dashboard. Then we click on content, we click on analytics. No, we don't need content. We click on content. This is our content. Then click on any of this content, then click on edit. You will see that the hashtag and also the description was automatically added here. And also if you know that maybe your video is not all about that's description, you can just remove it and add the current one to it. Easy and stress-free. You can see this video is all about something else, so I decided to remove the description and the hashtag that was there before to apply a new description and hashtag. So this help a new YouTuber to grow their channel. Once you apply automatic description and also hashtag to your channel. Very easy and stress-free, because I've been on YouTube for past years, so I understand how these things work. The YouTube algorithm have to understand what your channel is all about. So this hashtag and also the description help the YouTube algorithm to understand and push your video to the right audience. So before you can do anything, you have to learn how to make sure the YouTube algorithm understand your channel and also your videos, what information you're passing to people and what your channel is all about. So here, after that, you add your thumbnail, and also you can put it on the playlist if you like. And if you don't want to put it, then you click on show more here, you scroll down, you see show more. Then if your video is AI, this option we said alter content, you have to click on yes once it is AI. But if it is not AI, you don't need to click on yes or no, just ignore it. Then the next thing is to just scroll down. You can see this is my tags. You have to add these tags as well. These tags are automatically added to my channel. It's automatically added to my channel. There's a space for that. On our next video, I'll be teaching you how to add tags to your channel. On today's video, we are talking about how to add description and also hashtag to grow your channel in 2026. So the next thing you're going to do is to just video language. You don't need that. So the location, since I'm Nigeria, I use Nigeria, because if you use another country, it will be very, very difficult for YouTube to, to push your video to another country if you are a new YouTuber. Maybe if your account is old, you have been on YouTube for a while, and you have grown your YouTube to some certain stage, you can start, using different location on your videos. So now you can see distribution to everywhere. The next thing you're going to do is to just choose a category that best fits that video. Choose a category that best fits that video, because if you don't choose a category that best fits the video won't go viral. So here it is how to and style. If your channel is all about comedy, you choose comedy. If your video is all about education, you can also choose education. The reason why I choose how to and style is because it's aligned with the category of the channel. It's aligned with the category of the channel. So, and also gaming, if it is film animation, you choose that. So once you select it, all you need to do here is to just scroll down and just click on save and publish your video, and wait and see your video go viral with the help of good description, good title, good thumbnail, and also trending hashtag. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also drop a comment if you want me to work on any topic of video for you, and also put you through on how to do that. I will definitely respond to your messages and also your comments. Drop a comment, let me know what you feel about this video. See you in the next one. Bye for now. Found this video helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also drop a comment whatever you feel about this video, and also turn on the notification bell whenever I drop a new video to get notified. See you on the next one. Bye for now.